Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. In this video, we'll explore how to use Google Docs to create and manage your childcare business documents efficiently. Google Docs is a versatile and free tool that can help you streamline your administrative tasks, making your operations smoother and more professional. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basic functions of Google Docs and how to use templates to create documents quickly and easily. In this video, we'll cover how to set up Google Docs, the basic functions of Google Docs, using templates, and how Google Docs can benefit you. Google Docs offers numerous benefits for childcare business owners, making it a valuable tool for managing various administrative tasks. Firstly, it is completely free, providing a cost-effective solution for document creation and management without the need for expensive software. Its intuitive interface is incredibly user-friendly, allowing even those with limited technical skills to create, edit, and format documents effortlessly. This ease of use means that anyone in your team can quickly get up to speed with using Google Docs, reducing the need for extensive training. One of the standout features of Google Docs is its autosave function, which ensures that your work is automatically saved as you type. This feature is particularly valuable as it prevents the loss of important information due to unexpected power outages or computer crashes, giving you peace of mind that your data is always secure. Additionally, Google Docs is cloud-based, meaning you can access your documents from any device with internet access. Whether you are at home, in the office, or on the go, you can easily retrieve and work on your documents, providing flexibility and convenience. Collaboration is also made easy with Google Docs, as it allows multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. This real-time collaboration is perfect for teams, enabling staff members to contribute, comment, and make edits without the hassle of emailing back and forth. You can see changes as they happen, facilitating better communication and teamwork. Google Docs integrates well with other Google services such as Google Drive, email, and Google Calendar. If you use these services, this integration enhances your overall productivity by allowing you to store, share, and manage your documents all within the same Google ecosystem. You can easily attach documents to emails, schedule reminders for document reviews, and organize your files in Google Drive, making your administrative tasks more efficient and streamlined. In summary, Google Docs is a powerful, versatile tool that offers numerous benefits for childcare business owners. Let's start by setting up Google Docs. Open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. It's free and simple to do. Once you're logged in, click on Blank Document to create a new document. This will create a blank document where you can start creating your content. Google Docs will also offer some suggestions for formatting for specific functions. Google Docs offers a range of basic functions that make document creation easy. Here are some key features. Start typing in a blank document. By right-clicking, you can cut, copy, and paste as needed. Use the toolbar to format your text, including changing fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. You can also use bullet points and numbered lists for organization. Click the Share button at the top right to share your document with others. Add the email of those you want to share your document with, and choose whether to give them viewer, commenter, or editor permissions. Insert images by clicking Insert an Image, and choose whether to upload from your computer, the web, Google Drive, photos by URL, or by taking a photo with your camera. You can insert tables by clicking Insert Table and choosing the size of the table that you need. This helps you create more visually appealing and organized documents. A blank document can be intimidating, but don't worry. Google Docs provides a variety of templates that can save you time and effort. To access templates, click on the Template Gallery at the top of the page. Here, you can find templates for meeting notes, project proposals, and more. Select a template that fits your needs, and customize it by editing the text and adding your own information. Templates are a great way to start with a professional-looking document without having to design it from scratch. Now let's talk about some practical applications of Google Docs for your childcare business. You can use a newsletter template to keep parents informed with a monthly or weekly newsletter. A template will save you the time it takes designing and adding elements to your newsletter. Use the onboarding notes template to organize all the information new hires need to know. Use the meeting notes template to help keep your notes from meetings organized and legible. You can even use the lesson plan templates to help you create easy to understand and efficient lesson plans. Google Docs is a powerful tool for managing your childcare business documents. It offers ease of use, collaboration features, and professional templates that can save you time and help you create high-quality documents. Give Google Docs a try and see how it can improve your business operations.